We have two tangent circles with a radius of 5 units each, and another circle tangent to both circles and has a radius of 8 units. And we are asked the radius of the circle in the middle, which is tangent to all surrounding circles. Now let's start our solution. First of all, let's remember one fundamental concept about circles. Assume two tangent circles with a tangent point P, and connect the centers with a line segment O1, O2. It is important to know that the connecting line segment will always pass through the tangent point P. Keeping this in mind, let's go back to our question. And now let's apply this to our question by connecting the centers of the tangent circles. So these line segments will be the radii of the circles. Also, let's connect these centers. These parts will also be 5 units. And these line segments will be 8 units. Now let's focus on this triangle. And also let's zoom in a little bit. Now let's connect point P and O3. Now remember that in an isosceles triangle, the height of the triangle will bisect the base. And notice that in our question, the blue line is bisecting the base of green isosceles triangle. Therefore, blue line will be the height of this triangle, making a 90-degree angle with the base. Now focus on this right-angle triangle. We can apply Pythagorean Theorem to find the length of the blue line segment PO3. And that will be 12 units. Let's also show that on the diagram. Now let's connect O2 and center of the middle circle. And let's call the radius of the middle circle as R units. We know that this part is also the radius of the circle, so it will be 5 units. With the same reason, this part of the blue line will be 8 units. So this part of the blue line will be 4 minus R units. Now let's focus on this small right angle triangle. We know all sides of this triangle in terms of the variable R. So let's apply Pythagorean Theorem to solve for the radius R. If we square the terms, we will have this equation. From here, R squared and 25 terms will cancel out. So we will have 16 minus 8R equals 10R. Adding 8R to both sides, we will have 16 equals 18R. And from here, the radius of the middle circle R can be calculated as 16 over 18 units. And that can be simplified to 8 over 9 units. And that is our answer. I'll see you next time.